Discapati is a Latin phrase which, translated directly, means learn to suffer or learn to suffer well.
There is a house built out of stone, wooden floors, walls and window sills, tables and chairs warmed by all of the dust. This is a place where I don't feel this is a place where I feel at home.
As much as I like to think sometimes that life is all positive experiences, all joy all the time, all pleasantness and privilege, with not even the possibility of anything but sunshine and rainbows, life is miserable sometimes too.
I built a home for you, for me, until you disappeared from me, from you.
Discapati can also be translated as learn to endure. Pati is also the root of the word patience. Consider the words of William Butler Yeats. Happiness is neither virtue nor pleasure, nor this thing nor that, but simply growth. We are happy when we're growing. So here's life. Here's your great and terrible life. And it bombards you with gifts and burdens from the moment you open your eyes to the second they close your casket. This is inescapable. But challenge is a stimulus for a meaningful, productive and happy life. We need only the courage and the patience to learn how to suffer well.